Okay, we're going to start off with ACE Investigation 3, Problem 4 of the homework. It asks to look for reptile patterns in the design below. For each design, tell whether the small triangles seem to be similar to the large triangle, and to explain. When the triangles are similar, give the scale factor from each small triangle to the large triangle. So, for letter A, we have the large triangle, which is here. And then we've got 4 smaller triangles in between. Okay. The smaller triangles are similar to the one big triangle. So because of that, as we learned when we were making our rectangles, when you have the 4 smaller shapes inside of one big shape, then that's going to have a scale factor of 2. Okay, for 4B, it looks like this is the big shape, and this shape here and this shape here look like the big shape, but this shape and this shape does not. So since it's just these 2 triangles, the scale factor is going to equal 1/2. Okay, for the big rectangle C, there is absolutely no rectangles in here that look like the large rectangle. So for this one, this doesn't have any kind of scale factor because it's just not similar. Alright, now for D, D is similar to A. So yes, this one has the same scale factor that A does. Scale factor is going to equal 2 because we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles that fit inside the one large triangle that is similar shape and size. Okay, number 6. For rectangles E through G, give the length and width of a different similar rectangle. Explain how you know the new rectangles are similar. Okay, so for E, we have the length of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we've got 12 units length and a width of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a width of 6. So that means that if we say that K is equal to any positive number then we can just simply say that a similar rectangle for E is anything that is 12K by 6K. Okay? And so then that way, it doesn't matter what the units are. So K just represents any positive number, and it's going to be the same because the ratio of the corresponding sides will be the same. That means that the scale factor of any positive number from rectangle E to the new rectangle is going to be K. The scale factor will be K. So then you just take that same logic and you apply that to rectangle F. That's going to be any rectangle with dimensions 4K by 10K, where K is any positive number. And for G, it's going to be any rectangle with dimensions 6K by 4K, where K is any positive number. Alright, for 27A through E, you're just going to find, rewrite each fraction as decimal and as a percent. So for A, 2/5 is the same thing as saying 40% or 0.4. So 40%, or 0.4. Okay, and then here are the rest of the answers. For B, 3/4 is the same as saying 75% or 0.75. C is the same as saying that 3/10 is 30% or 0.3. D, 1/4 is the same as 25% or 0.25. E, 7/10 is the same as 70% or 0.7.